So for our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady into an underarm turn, but this time we're doing it with a different hand. All right? So we do our basic steps, which is 1, 2, 3. Now I want the lady to step across, but this time I'm leading her with my right hand and I'm leading her left hand. So she steps across, I draw a halo over her head, and we come back to center. I'm going to do this from a different angle so you can see here, and we'll take it here. We're stepping 1, 2, 3. Now, I want to be able to draw her hand onto the left side of my shoulder. As I draw my hand, the lady's inclination is to always step where the junction of the underarm turn is, or where the hand connection is. So she steps, and we come back to center. We'll do it from a different angle. Okay? So we're stepping 1, 2, 3. Now I bring my hand over my left side, leading her into an underarm turn. The footwork's exactly the same as with the left hand lead. So with the left hand lead, you'll notice that my left hand is on the left side of my body, and I'm stepping 5, 6, 7. Here, I bring my right hand into 5, 6, 7.